I know it's been long. So many of you have been asking me, how do you edit these videos in that way? How do you make it so smooth with these transitions? So these are quick way of how to do it. Yeah, it's a quick way of how to do it. I want to show you how to hack a simple hack, actually a very simple hack of how to make this transition so smooth. You know, like this video. Check this out.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
You see how smooth that is? It's very easy actually. So I use this app called VN. This app called VN. This is what I use for editing, and it comes with many ideas and many things. It has many aspects in there. So this is one of them. It's where you click on the this tab called music bits. When you click on this music bits, it gives you the option of choosing the music that you want and the beats that you want. Alright, so like for example, this song. See this song has several beats. Let's do it. Launch your VN editor and create a new project. Select the photos and the videos that you want to use in your video and import them into the timeline. Once they're imported, click on the music tab and select the audio that you want. Once the audio is in, click on the music beats tab and select the beats by beat depending on the type of beats that you want to use. Once you've done that, click OK and start trimming the photos or the videos in accordance to these beats that have been selected. Click trim your photo to the size of the beat. You see, like this line and this line. Yeah, trim this photo to fit in between the two lines. Continue trimming until all the spaces have been filled up, and if they haven't been filled up, you can import some more photos and make sure that all the spaces have been filled up. You can add some movement to the photos by adding keyframe at the start and the end, then zooming the photo a little bit. That will give the photo some movement, and that way your photo will be engaging. And this is how it should look like once it is fully completed. Be sure to export it in the highest of resolution possible and find it in your DCIM folder. Woo! Amazing, amazing. All right, that's it from me.
Wow, I feel good. I knew that I would now. I feel good. I knew that I would now. Yes. So good.